Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up to Google or an SD card so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the Tecno has at least 50% battery and a Wi-Fi connection to restore apps later. You need to confirm your Google account login now because factory reset protection ties the phone to that account. Without it, you may be locked out. Now, press and hold power to access the menu for the first reset option. Don't skip the backup step. You power the phone off, then press volume up and power together to enter recovery mode. This combination triggers the bootloader for most Tecno models. Once in recovery, navigate with the volume keys and choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This clears user data and returns system settings to defaults. Press power to confirm. The phone will show progress as it erases. After wiping, choose Reboot System Now to let Android restart and finalize the reset process. You'll complete setup by signing into your Google account. This restores backups and ensures factory reset protection clears correctly. If the phone doesn't boot or remains in a setup loop, make sure you perform the wipe and then repeat the recovery reset once more. If problems persist, consider using Tecno's SB Flash tool to reflash stock firmware. Only do this if you're comfortable and follow precise firmware matching your model. For any error, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.